pa. So guys, ako ang kantahon nyo are my sunshine, my only sunshine. So mga kaibigan, kailangan natin gitarin natin yung you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Now make me happy. Sige. Let's start. So, magic ha. I-open ko tong ukulele to. So, 1, 2, 3. Na-open na siya, guys. So, na-open na siya, guys. So, ayan. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. Sometimes I love. Let me tell you how much I love you. My sunshine is running away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. Balik ko na to, guys. Balik ko na to. Saan nindot to? You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. Sometimes I Ato yung barikon kay Santo. You are my sunshine. Ay, you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. Sometimes I love. I wanna tell you how much I love. So guys, na-speak nyo nga, ganyan pala yung natutuunan natin nga ukulele. So magbili na kayo dito ng ukulele. Sa Lazada na ito binili, guys. Ang ganda ng tuno nyo. You are my sunshine, my only. Make me happy. Sometimes I love. So guys, magic yapon guys ha. Nanay siya isulod ron. Gisulod na siya sa kaano na. 1, 2, 3. Nasulod na siya, guys. Nasulod na siya, guys. Nasulod na siya. 1, 2, 3, magic. Guys. Diba? Nasulod na siya. So, please subscribe, share, and we got 100,000. We got subscribers 100,000, 100 likes to get the ukulele. Praise out, subscribe, goodbye. Bye mga kaibigan. Pag-camping mo pagtuon mo ukulele para makatuon mo. Goodbye, bye-bye. Peace out, subscribe.